Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sea-Dweller 126600. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2017 or later. The characteristics of this watch include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with a folding overlock safety Oysterlock clasp. The dial is black with the chromalight display and has red Sea-Dweller lettering on the dial. This watch contains a waterproof screw-down crown and a unidirectional rotatable diver's bezel, as well as a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. This watch has an automatic 3235 movement. The Sea-Dweller comes with the Rolex box, booklets, and papers. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 126600 in Google. Thank you.